Hey everyone, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can make sure you are not accidentally blocking Google from indexing your WordPress website. Let's get started. Simply log into your WordPress dashboard and hover your mouse over where it says Settings and then click on Reading. And then look for the option that says Search Engine Visibility and make sure it's unchecked. If you check this box, then you are telling Google to not index your website. If your website is under development, then you can check this. It will prevent Google and other search engines from crawling your unfinished website. But once your website is ready, make sure to come here and uncheck this. So Google and other search engines can crawl your website and you can get organic traffic. Many people check it when their website is under development, but once their website is ready, they forget to come here and untick it. So make sure you don't make this mistake. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.